Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 5.2. In this exercise, we will apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. An means that's the last term, a means first term, n means number of term, and then d means, you know that very well, difference of the AP. So this formula you will be applying in this question and previous also. So first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. One or two fill in the blanks I can do here. That is, first part is equal to a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8. So we need to find an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So that a is 7 plus n is 8 minus 1 multiply 3. So that 7 plus 7 into 3. So 7 plus 7 3 are 21. So that 28. This is the answer now. And see one more. That is fourth part. Fourth part. Fourth part. A is equal to, something is missing here. Something is missing, so see the third part. A is equal to, is not given. We need to find d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, and an is equal to minus 5. So minus 5. So an, same formula you will apply, n minus 1 and then d. An is minus 5 is equal to a we need to find, and then n is 18 minus 1 into, that will be minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 multiply minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 3 ja. So that will be minus 51. So minus 5, that will become this side, so that will be 51a. So that a is equal to 15 less 51 less 5, that will be 46. This is the answer. And other part you can do, no problem is there. And then that the choose the correct or choice in the following and justify. So you will be solve this solution also. Here in the second question I am doing second part. So n is equal to 11, a is equal to minus 3, and d is equal to minus 1 plus 3, because minus minus plus will be there. So 3 to 6, 6 less 1 5 upon 2, and then we will apply the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an we are finding here, then it will become same. So minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 into 5 upon 2. Now an is equal to minus 3 plus 10 into 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2. 2 5 ja 10. So minus 3 plus 5 5 ja 25. That will be 22. This will be 22. And then third question. In the following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. So first one you can do. Second, that first of your box is given, then 23, and then again box, and then 3. So that solution will be A2 is equal to 23. So A plus D, that will be A2 means A plus D is equal to 23. So A is equal to 23 minus D. Okay, this is the first equation. And then for this one, A4. A4 is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A4 we can write A plus 3D is equal to 3. So A value we have already found here. 23 plus, sorry, minus D plus 3D is equal to 3. So that will be 2D is equal to 3 minus 23. So D is equal to that minus 20 upon 2. 2 tens. So D is equal to minus 10. D is equal to minus 10, and we will find the A value also. So putting D is equal to minus 10 in equation first. So A is equal to 23 minus, that is a minus, and that minus also, that will be plus 10. So that will be 33. So in the first box that will become 33, and for the second box it will become A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A is 33 plus 2 into minus 10. So this will be 33 minus 20. So that will be 13. This is the second box answer. And then see the fourth part. Fourth part, that is minus 4 comma box, and then 4 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6. So A is equal to minus 4 is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then A6 is equal to, that's a given 6. A6 means we can write A plus 5D is equal to 6. A value we have already, minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. So 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. This will be go that side. So D is equal to 10 upon 5. So 5 2 is 10. So D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. So that second box means A plus 2D. So A plus D. It means A2 is equal to A plus D. So A is minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So here will become minus 2. This is the first answer. And then third, A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A value is minus 4 plus 2 into minus 2. That will be minus 4. D value is only 2. So 2 2 is 4. Cancel. That will be 0. In the second box that will become 0. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So minus 4 plus 3 into 2, that will be 3 2 is 6 less 4 2. That is the second. A4, A5 is equal to A plus 4D. So that minus 4 plus 4 into 2, 4 2 is 8 less 4, 4. That will become 4 answer. And then fifth part also you can do very easy. It's not a difficult. And then fourth part, we will, question number 4 we will see now, because it's a lengthy chapter. So most of the part, those are the difficult questions I'll be solved here, and other part you will be solved. And then question number 4, solution. Which term of an AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So it means A is equal to 3, D is equal to that 8 minus 3, 5, and then AN is equal to 78. So formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN is 78 plus 3, is equal to 3 plus N minus 1, that multiply 5. So first of all this will come this side, minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 multiply 5. So that will be 75 upon 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 25 ja na 5 15 ja, so 15 plus 1 is equal to n. This will come this side, so n is equal to 16. So that is the answer in the 16 term. Fifth question, second part, because first and second both part are the same. Here also for the number of the term is AP, find the number of term. Same thing, fourth question and fifth question both are the same, but second part is given in mixed fraction. So I am doing here A is equal to 18, D is equal to that 15 whole 1 upon 2 minus 18. So that will be, yes, 15 to 30, 31 upon 2 minus 18. So 31 minus 18 to 36 upon 2. So that 5 upon 2. That's minus 5 upon 2. Minus 5 upon 2. This will be minus 5 upon 2. And then an is equal to minus 47. Minus 47. So same formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an is minus 47 is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 upon 2. So 47 minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 multiply minus 5 upon 2. So this will be 8 7 15 4 1 5 1 6, that's a minus, and then multiply 2 upon minus 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 13 ja, so minus minus plus 13 to 26 plus 1, that one n. So n is equal to 27. Now the question number 6. Question number 6, check whether minus 1 upon 50 is a term of an AP. So that an is equal to minus 150, A is equal to 11, D is equal to minus 3. So an is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So an is minus 150 and then 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So that will be 1 6 1 and then minus 3. So n minus 1. 3 can't be cancelled, 161, because n is equal to must be in the simple form, not in fraction or in decimal or in minus. So that will be no. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11 term is 38 and 60 term is equal to 73. So question number 7, that 11 term, A11 is equal to that 38. So A plus 10D is equal to 38. So A is equal to 38 minus 10D. This is the first equation. And then 16th term, A16 is equal to that is 73. Yeah, 60 term is 73. So A plus 15D is equal to 73. The A value we have already found, 38 minus 10D plus 15D is equal to 73. So that 5D is equal to 73 minus 38. So D is equal to 13 less 8 5, 6 less 3 3 upon 5, 5 7 ja. So D is equal to, that's a 7. Now we will find the A also. So that will be putting D is equal to 7 in equation first. So that first equation is A is equal to 38 minus 10D. So 38 minus 10 into 7. 10 into 7. So 38 minus 10 7 is 70. So 10 less 8, 2, 6 less 3, 3. So A is equal to 30. A is equal to 32. That A is equal to minus 32, sorry. 5 7 is 35. And then we will find 31st term. Now n is equal to 31. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an we are finding here. So an is equal to a is minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 into 7. So minus 32 plus 30 multiply 7. So minus 32 plus 7 3 are 21, that's 10. So subtract of 10 less 2, 8. Now 10 less 3, 7, 178. This is the answer. It means 17 term. Then after APF consists 50 term, which term? Third term is 12 and last term is 106. Then find 29 term. So here you will be right. In the 8th question, how you will be right, and you will be solved by yourself. And then A3 is equal to this is the 12. So A plus 2D is equal to, that will be 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 2D, the first equation. And then A50 is equal to, this is also given. There something is missing here. Something is missing in book, that I think 106 or can be there. And then after similarly you will be solve that one. Or n will be, after n will be, there will be 29. Like this, n is equal to 31. So n is equal to 29 is given here. Now the question number, we will see 9th. Ninth question. If the third term and ninth term of an AP is 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of an AP is 0? So here we will write A3 is equal to A3 is equal to 4. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4 minus 2D. This is the first equation. And then A9 is equal to, this is a minus 8. So A plus 8D is equal to 8. So A value is here 4 minus 2D plus 8D is equal to 8. So 6D is equal to 8 minus 4. So D is equal to 4 upon 6. 2 2 ja 2 3 ja. So D is equal to 2 upon 3. So putting A is equal to 4 minus 2D. D is equal to 2 upon 3 in equation first. So A is equal to 4 into minus 2 multiply 2 upon 3. So 4 minus 4 upon 3. So 4 3 are 12. 12 less 8. 12 less 4, that will be 8 upon 3. So A is equal to 8 upon 3. And now An is given 0. So we will apply An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So An is 0. A is 8 upon 3 and then plus n minus 1 because we are finding n, then 2 upon 3. So about that your answer will come after a solution. 10th question. 10th question is the 17th term of an AP is exceed its 10 term by 7. So A17 is equal to A10. A10 is less 7, so we will give the 7 here. So A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. So A cancel by A. So 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. So that will be left 7D is equal to 7. So 7 by 1 is 7. So D is equal to 1. And then 11th question. This is also very good question. Which term of AP? So AP means given here. So A is equal to 3 and D is equal to, that will be 15 minus 3, that's a 12. And then 54 term is also given there. So AN is equal to A54 plus, that will be 132. It means those are AN. It means A54 is less than 132. So we have given the 132. Now AN, A plus n minus 1 D is equal to A plus 53D for this value plus 132. So A cancel by A. So n minus 1 D value is 12 is equal to 53 multiplied 12 plus 132. After the solution, n value will be come. And then 12th question, this is the most important question. So you will be more concentrated here. Find AP have the same common difference. Sorry, find out. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference of their 1000 term? So two APs are here. Two APs are here given and common difference is same. So first of all we can write here AN minus A100 minus A100 is equal to 100. First AP we have taken in the order of capital letter and second AP we have taken in the order of small letter. So A100 means A minus 99D, that will be A minus 99D. Both will be 90D, but by this sign this will be plus. So 90 90D cancels. So A minus is equal to 100. So first term and 100 term, both term you are looking the same difference, 100. Here we will write first and 100 term difference is equal to 100. So 1000 term difference will be 100 also. It means in any term that difference will be 100. Now question number 13, that how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So first number will be A is equal to 105, because you know that 100 is the first 3-digit number, that will be not divided by 7. 101 also not, 102 also not, 103 also not, 104 also not. 107 first number is a which divided by 7. So D is equal to 7. So AN is equal to last 3-digit number is 999. So that divide by 7 1 is 7, then 2 9 7 4 ja 28, and then 1 9 7 2 ja 14, and then 5 is extra is looking remainder here, so that subtract from here, so that will be 994, and then we will apply an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So an is 994 is equal to a is 105 plus n minus 1, that multiply 7. When you will be calculate, then your answer will come. Question number 14. This also same. This also same. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So first number, that will divide 12. 10 will not divide. 11 also not divide. So that will be divide 10, and then d is equal to, because we are taking the multiple of 10, and then an is equal to 250 will not divide by 2. So 4 6 ja 24, and then 1 0 4 2 ja 8, then 2 left is it. So we will subtract 2 from 250. So that will be 248. By the same formula, you can find the answer. 15th question. Therefore, what value of n are the n term of, it means 2 APs are given. So 2 APs are given. So first of all we will write a is equal to, that is 63, and d is equal to, this will be 65 minus 63 2, and then for second AP a is equal to 3, and d is equal to 10 minus 3 7. So an is equal to an. So that formula will be a plus n minus 1 d is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now we will apply the values. N minus 1 and d value is 2 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1, d value is 7. So 63 plus that 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. Now 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus, that will be 61. So that will be minus 5n is equal to minus 65. So minus cancel by minus, 5 13 ja. So n is equal to 13. It means 13th place are the same for both APs. And then 16th question. What is 16th question? Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7 term exceed by 5 by 12. Just a minute, something is missing in question here. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7 term exceed by 5 term by 12. तो A 16 question, third term is A3 is equal to, that is 16. So A plus 2D is equal to 16, and then A7, or you can write like this, A is equal to 16 minus 2D, the first equation also like this, and then A7 is equal to A5 plus 12, that is this. Now A plus 6D is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. So A cancel by A. So 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. So 2D is equal to 12, 2 6 ja. So D is equal to 6. And then putting D is equal to 6 in equation first. So A is equal to 16 minus 2 into 6. So 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. A and D we have find here. Now AP. So AP is equal to that A plus 2D, sorry, A plus D, A plus 2D, so about that. So A is 4, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 into 6, so about that. A plus 10, sorry, A comma 10, and then 4 6 are 12, 13 14 15 16, that is 16. This is the AP. 13th question, find the 20 term from the last term of then AP. So 13th question, just a different type of question is given, that n is equal to 20, A is equal to 253. 253 is A because we are looking now from the last term, and then D will be minus 5. Now we will see that 3 minus 8, and then an is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So the value is, A value is 253 plus n 20 minus 1 and then minus 5. After the solution calculation, you will find the answer. 18th question, solution. The sum of 4th and 8th term, A4 plus A8 is equal to, that is 24. So A plus 3D, A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. So 2 is common, so A plus 5D is equal to 24. So 2 12 ja. So A is equal to 12 minus 5D. This is the first equation. And then point first, and then 6th term and 10th term, A6 plus A10 is equal to, that is 44, and then A plus 6 means 5D, and then A plus 9D is equal to 44, that 2A plus 14D is equal to 44, and then 2 can be take the common, A plus 7D is equal to 44, so 2 22 ja. So that A value is 12 minus 5D plus 7D is equal to 22, and then 2D is equal to 22 minus 12, that will be D is equal to 12 minus 22 minus 12, that will be 10 upon 2 5 ja. So D is equal to 5, and then we will find the A also, because we need to find the first 3 term. So putting D is equal to 5 in equation first. So A is equal to 12 minus 5 into 5. So that will be 12 minus 5 5 is 25. So that will be minus 13. So A is equal to minus 13 will be that. Now again we can check that, because minus 13 is coming here, can be, yes, this is right, plus 5D, A plus 9D, this is also right, 2, 9 for 14, that's 7, 44, 22, that will be cancel, A value is 12 minus 5, 2D, 12 minus that, D is equal to 5, and then A is equal to 5D, yes, and then we will find AP. Then we will find AP. So first 3 term, first 3 terms is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D. So that A value is minus 13, and then minus 13, plus D is 5, and then minus 13 plus 2 into 5. That will be minus 13, or this will be minus 8, and then this will be minus 3. This is the answer. And then 19th question. 19th question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary that 5,000. So that is A is equal to 5,000 and receive increment 200 per year. That means D is equal to 200. And then in which year did his income reach 7,000? Means AN is equal to 7,000. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN is 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus N minus 1 D. Oh sorry, D value is 200. After the calculation, that your answer will come. 20 question. Same question is this one. 20 and 19 both are the same question. Ramkali saved 15 rupees in first week. So that A is equal to 5 rupees. So 5. And then per week she is saving 1.7 rupees. So D is equal to 1.75. And then at last the amount was AN is equal to 20.75. So again we will apply that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So AN is 20.75 is equal to A is 5, then plus N minus 1 multiply 1.75. Now 20.75 minus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. So that will be 15.75 upon 1.75 is equal to N minus 1. So decimal cancel by decimal, and then how many time it will be goes? 9 time. 9 5 ja 45, 175, 9. 9 5 ja 45, 9 7 ja 63, 63 4 67, 9 1 ja 9 15. Yes, that 9 time is going. 9 time. And then after 9 plus 1 is equal to N. So N is equal to 10. That will be right week. In 10 week, she will got 20 rupees 75 paise.